welcome you officially to my YouTube channel. I am Samuel. I strongly believe that you are going to be having a nice time here because this video you are about to watch is fully loaded with benefits that can cause the kind of change you desire. In this workshop, I'm going to be showing you secret that will forever change your financial story. Knowledge is power. Right information is liberating. What you are going to be getting in this workshop is knowledge and right information that when followed up with action, you're gonna be getting a mouth-opening result. I'm going to be showing you how to bank 100K consistently weekly. I guess you are already asking yourself how true can this be? Follow me as I show you the results of people who have passed through the same training that you are about to pass through. These are some of the results that my students that have passed through this training are getting. The first image shows a student of the course who made 60,000 naira, the second 95,000, third 96,500, the fourth 99,000 and the fifth 59,500. You can get more than this if you will follow everything I will be teaching you. But before I proceed, I will like to sound out this warning. This is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It is not about MMM, neither is it MLM or any Ponzi scheme of any kind. This is a skilled business. That is, you learn and you use the skills you have learned to earn huge amount of money. The results that you are going to be getting is dependent on how hungry you are for success because it requires your action and dedication. I have seen people who are making millions monthly from what you are about to learn. I have also seen people earning thousands of naira too. The more diligent you are, the better your result. So, who is this workshop for? The tutorial is for you if you are tired of being broke. Being broke comes along with so many things. One of such thing is depression and frustration. And until you desire a change, nothing changes. This video is for you if you sick and tired of your job. That is, you are tired of working hard and earning peanut as salary at the end of the month. Several months ago, I was working a classroom teacher earning just 30,000 naira, which was unable to cater for my basic needs. I was just sick and tired of life because I was working hard but nothing to show for it. No savings, nothing of any kind was I able to point to show as a proof that I'm working. Sometimes, I was already in debt before the month ends. The salary that I collect was only able to clear my previous debt, thereby making room for another debt. That was just how I continued until I stumbled on affiliate marketing. Now my story has changed. This video tutorial is for you if you are a sit-at-home mom who wants to be earning consistent income to assist your family. This video is for you if you are retired or looking to retire in the near future. This video is for you if you like traveling a lot and you need a business that is mobile that you can do anywhere in the world. This video is for you if you are interested in learning digital skill that can fetch you income anytime, any day. This video is for you if you have been job hunting for years without finding one. As a matter of fact, statistics has it that more than 51% of Nigerian youths are unemployed. Not even those who are employed, more than 28% of them are underemployed. To make things worse, on the 11th of June, 2021, the president of our dear country Nigeria openly declared that there are no more jobs for the youths. That's how pathetic things are. Despite this, the prices of things have not stopped from reaching for the sky. How then do you come out of this mess? What I'm going to be showing you now will not only bring you out, but it will also secure for you your financial freedom. Just follow me as we continue. Without further ado, let's jump to business. What is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is an advertising model where an affiliate earns a commission by promoting a product or service made by another person or company. The affiliate partner, which is you, is rewarded a payout for providing sales for the product he or she decides to promote. Let me explain it in simple language. Let's assume that you decide to promote a product that costs 60,000 naira and the product has a 50% commission. What this means is that, upon sales, you will get 30,000 naira as commission. Isn't that wonderful? Assuming you succeeded in making 10 sales every week, that means you will be earning a whooping sum of 300,000 naira weekly. How many company in Nigeria can be able to pay you that amount monthly? Even if there are, they must have ended up using every damn energy you have in you. But with affiliate marketing, you can make more than 300,000 naira weekly or even more, depending on how serious you are with the business. How to start affiliate marketing? The first thing you are required to do in order to start affiliate marketing is to locate a platform. Second is to get trained on the skills needed to be an effective affiliate marketer. Third is to choose a product of your choice and promote it to those who you feel can buy it. Let me explain in details the things I have just said now. There is no affiliate marketing without a platform. This is because the platform is just like a marketplace where product creators display their products and also a place where affiliate marketers get products to promote. So your first task is to join a better platform. There are several platforms in Nigeria. They include expertnaire, Learnoflix, Affiliated NG, etc. Among these platforms listed here, Affiliated NG stands out. The reasons include, their get-in is very cheap when compared to others. For example, to begin affiliate marketing on expertnaire, you will need to pay a whopping sum of 62,500 naira as fees to be trained and registered as member, but on Affiliated NG, the case is different. All you need to do is to register for free and pay the sum of 20,500 naira for activation of your account. This gives you the access to the marketplace and also access to learn 28 digital skills that worths over $10,000. Isn't that nice? That's not all. Upon activation of your account, you will receive 100% cash back, that is, you will be credited with the 20,500 that you paid. Wow. It means that you are just learning these digital skills for free. No other platform offers this, I tell you. Apart from the benefit I just talked about, you have access to a strong support system and super affiliates like myself who will hold you by your hand and walk you through the processes that you need in order to become successful. The truth is that if you were to pay me for my mentorship program, you will pay me nothing less than 100,000 naira. But you will be getting it for free if you register through the link in the description. When you click on the link in the description, you will be taken to this page you see now. All you need to do is to fill in your information details and you click on sign up. When you sign up, you will be taken to your dashboard. But because you haven't activated your account, you won't be able to access the course as well as the marketplace. So you have to scroll down and activate your account. I will be dropping a link to my WhatsApp in the description. Notify me when you have activated your account so that you can begin the free mentorship ASAP. Let me leave you with this: dreams don't work unless you take action. The surest way to make your dreams come true is to live them, and when you do the things in the present that you can see, you are shaping the future that you are yet to see. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also give the video a like.